Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am planning in my horizontal Hemlock Oak planner, and I'm going to be using all of these beautiful stickers. All of their shops will be linked in the description box below, so you guys can check them out and possibly even save some money on your order. So for this plan with me, I am using this adorable kit from Sweet Kawaii Design, and so here we have the full boxes. The kids are actually on spring break, and so I thought that this was the perfect kit, and so here we have this one. Then we also have the deco, the date covers, the washi, the half boxes, these habit trackers, and this itty bitty sticker sheet as well. And remember that it is $2 Tuesday over at Sweet Kawaii Designs, so be sure to check out all of the kits, and don't forget to use our codes. That way you guys can save a little bit of money on your order, and that way you guys can receive our adorable freebies as well. And so let's go ahead and get these out of here, because I did want to show you how last week turned out, and I think that it looks amazing. So we didn't do too well over here with my habits, but I did increase the amount of time that I was doing when I was going out for a walk. And so instead of 30 minutes, I was doing 1 hour, and that is why you see 15,000 steps, 13,000, 12,000, and the weather has been amazing. So I have been enjoying being outside, and it feels amazing. So I have no problem doing an hour of walking. And so let's go ahead and go over here. That way we can get started, and I'm going to start off with the half boxes. So let's go ahead and start off with this pink one. And so again, I didn't do too well with my water intake, but I feel pretty good. I feel like I'm moving my body way more than I was, and like I said, it just feels amazing. So I'm pretty happy about that. I just need to get back on track with my water intake. I don't know what it is, but the weather was nice, so I'm not sure why I wasn't drinking my water. But we are on another week, and so we get to start all over again. And I am happy to announce that yesterday I did actually drink all of my water. So I am hoping that that is the case for the entire week. And so let's go ahead and place this one right here, and then we'll go ahead and go back to the yellow one over here for Sunday. I really love these colors. They are so pretty, so pastel and like vibrant at the same time. And now I want to add the date covers, and look how pretty these little flowers are. So let's go ahead and start over here on Monday. And actually, Hemlock Oak have their 2026 planners really discounted. I believe they are 30% off plus an additional 10% off when you are ready to check out. So definitely check that out. If you haven't tried Hemlock Oak and you're wanting to, that is such an amazing deal. And they actually have opened pre-orders for their 2026 planners, and I believe they might close today. They have been having a few issues, so I don't know if they'll extend it, but maybe today it is their last day, so definitely keep an eye out on that. I do want to place my order because they actually have new sizes that they have introduced. So they have a B6, and they have also added an A6, which is amazing because for the longest time I have been wanting a smaller planner from them, because this is an A5. And I just think that it's amazing that they are branching out to new sizes. So yeah, definitely keep that in mind. I will have my link and my code down in the description box below. That way you guys can check them out and save a little bit of money on your order. I don't believe you can use my code for 2026 since you are already getting that extra 10% off. But like I said, I do have my affiliate link, and so I would truly appreciate it if you shop through there. And then I believe for 2027, you are able to use my code. So I greatly appreciate that. I cannot wait to shop myself. I have been in a B6 before, and so I feel pretty confident in that size. I just don't know about the A6. I feel like it is going to be too tiny, but super cute at the same time. So yeah, I have some thinking to do as well. So let's go ahead and add the 4th and the 5th. Okay, so I'm not missing any of the numbers. And what I want to do now is add my section for my water intake. All right, and now that that's done, let's go ahead and start adding the deco. So I already think that this looks amazing with just like the boxes, the date covers, and my Zicklin color dots. I think that it looks great already, but let's go ahead and add all of the cuteness. And I'm going to start by adding this washi strip down here at the bottom. Okay, so I think that that should be good right about there. So yesterday was actually the hottest day of the week, so we did get to go out and enjoy the weather like the whole afternoon, and it felt amazing. And so I think we're supposed to get a little bit of rain tomorrow, so we'll see if that ends up happening. And then let's see about these full boxes. So let's maybe do, okay, so we'll go ahead and do the green one down here at the bottom. That way we can get our corners going. And then we'll do the pink one up here in this corner. Okay, there we go. And now let's add this double box just here in the middle. And I believe I did see that we had a quote. And I love using their quotes either here with the double box or down at the bottom with the washi strips. So we'll see where it looks a little bit better. Okay, so now that that's done, we do have these boxes left over. So how about we add them over here in this corner? Let's maybe use the yellow one, maybe right over here. And then over here, let's use the purple one. And then do a little bit of slanting. Okay, so we might be done with those because I do want to add the deco sticker sheet. And look how pretty this one is with the window and the wind. That looks so good. So let's see about Poe over here having, oh no, we already have him over here. Never mind, that way we don't have the same sticker. So instead, let's maybe do this one. Okay, so he is over here too. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's maybe add this one. And we also have these boxes as well, which we could use too. So maybe we can do that one right there. And then we'll go ahead and place Connie over here. Look at how cute that looks. Okay, so really loving that. Now the question is, do I want to add this deco over here with these boxes or some of these ones? I really would like to use this one. All right, let's try it out. Because for this one, I would simply do something like this. Okay, so yeah, not too bad. And then let's maybe do the window over here. Kind of like that. Okay, so now let's see. See, here is the quote, pausing for the good moments. So let's see if we either do it here or down here. I actually like it here. So yeah, let's go ahead and place it right there. And actually, let's go ahead and add the habit trackers. So we'll go ahead and do a green one up here. Kind of like that. And then maybe we could also do a purple one. And this one, we'll simply add it right over here. And then down here at the bottom, let's go with a yellow. Maybe the yellow one could be on this side. And the last one, how about we use the blue one? Okay, so yeah, hopefully my habits will be better this week. And I'm really trying. I didn't eat a late snack yesterday. I drank all my water. I moved my body. And I had no soda. So I actually can check off everything for Monday, which feels amazing. And so let's see what else we could add. I do see these flowers. Oh my gosh, if I can even talk. And then we'll go ahead and do this blue one over here. And I also have the itty bitty sticker sheet as well. So let's actually not forget about that. Then we could probably do the white one here. And then we'll do the blue one right over here. Okay, perfect. So let's see about this sticker sheet, because I do want to add a little bit of deco over here. So let's start with this little birdhouse. Let's actually move it over here since it does have that pink heart, but I didn't want to place it there. Kind of just went down. So let's go ahead and try that again. There we go. And then we do have the camera. So let's do the green one over here on the pink box. And then, oh, look at the little bird. How cute. So let's add this little cutie right about there. Oh my gosh, I have to add the butterfly. And then this one, how did we want it? So either facing this way or this way. I think we're going to go this way. And let's see. So we do have like the planner and the pen. So this one is going to go there. We already have the flowers over here with the date covers. So maybe we could do this little bouquet of flowers simply right over here. And then, oh, actually over here I do add this little strip. That way it has all of the things, and it adds more deco down here at the bottom, because look at how cute that looks. Okay, there we go. Okay, perfect. So that definitely works out. Maybe I could add something cute over here. We do have the sun, the camera. Okay, we didn't do the rainbow. So yeah, look at how adorable that looks. And then we also have all of these cute little quotes. That's awesome. Oh my gosh. Anything else? Did I maybe want to add the little bird over here somehow? Oh, he would look amazing on the little birdhouse, right? Okay, so maybe we could add him here as if he is getting ready to kind of fly over the little picnic. I'm debating about whether or not I want to add a little trail. I think I should. I don't know. Let's just go ahead and add it, because why not, right? We'll do a little loop-de-loop as well. Okay, so yeah, I think that looks good. I should have maybe added this little guy over here too, but I think that it looks amazing. Let's see, did I want to add anything else? We have all of these left over, and we also have this one. Actually, you know what? I think I want to add a little quote right there, and this one is definitely speaking to me. Moments to remember. So let's just simply add it right in there. Okay, perfect. So I think that we are officially done. So let's get our little area a little bit more put together. So this is what we have left of the deco, the itty bitty stickers, the habit trackers. So we have those. We have a little bit of the full boxes, the half boxes, the date covers, and the washi strip as well. So yeah, be sure to check out the $2 Tuesday sale. Check out the 2026 Hemlock Oak planners and the 2027 pre-order. And so everything will be linked down in the description box below. But for now, I am in love with the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.